Hi guys, I just received this Letaya mobile archive, which I think it's really nice for here in our office. It comes very well packaged, as you can see. It has this protective foam, which I think it's really nice. So let's take it off. It comes with all you need to assemble it right here in the box, which I think is, well, really nice to have all this stuff at hand. Right here. Okay, so we're gonna take the manual. It's also all the pieces that comes with it. So we're gonna start assembling. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put it alongside my desk. I can open it, just like that. And take these binders, set them like this. So that they are hanging like this, get more folders and everything, and I can just take the lid, take the key off, leave there. It's really easy to assemble, as you can see. It can mount A4, F4 and letter files. As you could see, the wheels are movable, which I think it's a really nice feature. Now my files are well protected. You can open it. And it's actually really sturdy. I like the colors, the material. It's really nice. So when I want to take my files out, I just open it. Take it out. And just like that. So I would actually really recommend. It's a very nice file cabinet. The colors are amazing. I think it will be perfect here in our office. See you!